Hi my friend, my name is Rajveer and in this video I'm going to unbox these two beautiful phones which I have purchased from Amazon. So let me show you the model, which is Redmi 9A, and this comes with 3 GB of RAM and the 32 GB of internal memory. And the second phone that I have ordered is also having the same feature, but the only difference that these two phones have is their color. So this phone is sea blue color, and this phone that I have is in midnight black color. So without further ado, let's open this box. So this phone which I'm holding right now is midnight black, and it has been beautifully wrapped in this poly bag, which I'm going to again put it back. And the second phone which I have ordered is in sea blue color. It comes with this poly bag. See, this is the color of this phone, which is definitely far better looking than midnight black color. So the only things which makes them different is their color. However, the features will remain be the same. So let me tell you that these phones, the Redmi 9A, comes in a lot of variants. It comes with 2 GB of RAM and it goes up to 6 GB of RAM, and it comes with the 32 GB of internal memory, and it goes up to 128 GB of internal memory along with 4 GB of RAM or 6 GB of RAM, whatever you would like to choose. So depending upon the RAM and the internal memory, your price may vary. So first let me talk about the display. It has a display of 16.58 centimeter, which is about 6.53 inch. It has got a battery of 5000 mAh, which is definitely very much powerful to run this phone very smoothly. It weighs about 196 gram, and the front camera is of 5 megapixel and the rear camera is about 13 megapixel. So obviously that this phone with this price range, definitely it will give you the most out of what you are going to spend on this phone. It has got 3.5 jack, and it comes with micro USB 2.0 jack, which you will be using for charging this phone. And this phone comes in three different colors. The two of them I have already shown you is midnight black and the sea blue. So, and apart from these two colors, there is this phone comes also in natural green color, so which will also be available on Amazon and the Flipkart, which you can order. And have purchased this phone for about 7,400 rupees each. And this is how this phone looks. It has good camera here, and along with the flashlight, and this is the front rear camera, as you can see. And this comes with little bit of tempered kind of glass, which is more like a shade than a glass. And one thing which is making me sad is that it doesn't have any back cover, which usually the most of the phones are coming along with, but it doesn't have any back cover along with this phone. So you would have to purchase it from the market. So this is the first thing that I took out from the box's phone. So let me show you what else apart from the phone this box has got. So this is just this is the pin which can be used to remove or insert the SIM or card slot. It is quite different from usual, which we get usually along with the phone. It has got a circular shape on the top, and this needle which is usually with everything. And I'm just putting it back again. And apart from this phone, the only the valuable thing which we are getting along with this phone is just this USB cable, micro USB 2.0 cable, and this charger. So I was expecting to get earphone as well, but obviously that Redmi doesn't provide earphone along with this phone, so I'm afraid that you would have to purchase it from the market. So the only things that comes along with this box is the phone and micro USB 2.0 cable and this charger. So obviously that if you are looking for any phone having 3 GB of internal memory and 32 GB of I'm so sorry, that having 32 GB of internal memory and 3 GB of RAM, so this phone will be the best for you if you are looking for anything like this. And obviously that, let me tell you one thing, that this 32 GB of internal memory could be expanded by using micro USB card, which could be expandable up to 512 GB. And obviously at in this price range, if you are looking for any phone having 3 GB of RAM and the 32 GB of internal memory, this will be the best choice. And this is definitely looking far good, this color, than midnight black, and I have also seen the natural green color, but these phones will stand out among all of them. So if you are looking for any phone in this price range, I'll definitely advise you to go for Redmi 9A phone. So friends, thank you very much. That's all for this video. If you have liked this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.